In this class, we are going to see about current series feedback amplifier. Let me see the block diagram of current series feedback amplifier. Consider basic amplifier with gain A. Here current series feedback amplifier. So current sampling. The sampling is current. Sampling current. And mixing is series type of mixing. Series mixing means voltage mixing. Current sampling and mixing is voltage. So your load resistance RL and voltage across RL is V0. Current flowing through RL is I0. So the current sampling means you take current output and fed back to the input through feedback network with feedback factor beta and mixing is voltage mixing. So series mixing means voltage mixing. So we have voltage source, so input to the basic amplifier I am considering Vi and current flowing through basic amplifier Ia. Here series mixing, so connect like this. So series mixing means voltage mixing. So we have feedback voltage Vf. Here feedback element is current. So current flowing through feedback circuit. This I0 is flowing through this feedback network. So here current is output and input side we have voltage. So your gain is I0 divided by Vi. I0 divided by Vi. Normally we know that I by V is transconductance. So it is the relation between output current divided by input voltage. So we can call it as transconductance amplifier. Transconductance amplifier. So I am using suffix G, Ag. So this is transconductance gain without feedback. So the feedback factor beta is, here mixing is voltage mixing. So Vf to the input to the feedback network current. So Vf by I0. Here fraction of output current is sampled. Output current I0 is sampled, that is Vf is equal to beta I0. So output current is sampled and fed back to the input through feedback circuit. So next we are going to find gain with feedback. AGF. So AGF is, so gain with feedback, overall output is current and input is voltage, series mixing. So I naught to the input voltage is Vs. I naught by Vs, gain with feedback. So that is the transconductance gain with feedback. You know that Ag is I naught by Va is equal to gain without feedback. From input circuit, apply Kirchhoff voltage law. So apply KVL at input side. You have Vs, Va, Vf. Already we have seen this type of configuration in voltage series feedback amplifier. We have Vs, Va, Vf. So Vs equal to Va plus Vf. So substitute Vs in AGF, you will get Va plus Vf. Then replace Vf with Vf is equal to beta into I naught. Va plus beta into I naught. Again replace I naught by Va plus beta. I naught is replaced with Ag into Va. I naught is replaced with Ag into Va. So you take Va common, 1 plus beta Ag. So I naught by Va is equal to Ag. So your AGF is equal to I naught by Va is Ag divided by 1 plus beta Ag. So gain with feedback reduced phasor factor 1 plus beta Ag. Next we calculate input impedance. RIF. So to find input impedance and output impedance, first you have to replace amplifier circuit with H parameter model. Here we have Vs and input resistance Ri. This value is Va. Here you have current sampling. So current sampling means definitely you have dependent current source here whose magnitude Ag into here we have voltage mixing, so Ag into Vi, Ag into Va. So current source, so Norton resistance you should draw parallel manner. So R naught is parallel with Ag into Va. Next you have RL. are taking current output here. Where beta is VFI I naught. So here you have I naught, V naught. So to find input impedance, you have to make output source is 0, either output voltage 0 or output current 0. Here you have to make output current 0. You are having current sampling, so you have to make current output 0. So for that you have to assume RL is very high. RL is very high means it will be open circuited, I naught become 0. So RIF is equal to, RIF is equal to input impedance with feedback. So with feedback input impedance, you have Vs to the II. So input impedance with feedback. Similarly, Ri is Vi by Ia. So Vi by Ia input impedance without feedback. So we know that Vs equal to Vi plus Vf. So your RIF is equal to Vi plus Vf by Ia. So RIF Vi plus Vf can be replaced by beta I naught divided by Ia. Again I naught is replaced by Ag into Va. From refer circuit diagram, I naught is replaced by Ag Va divided by Ia. Take Va as common, you will get 1 plus beta Ag divided by Ia. So Va by Ia is equal to Ra into 1 plus beta Ag. So gain with feedback reduced by the factor, increased by the factor 1 plus beta Ag. So in the case of transconductance amplifier also called current series feedback amplifier and also called series feedback amplifier. So input also series mixing and output also current sampling. We are taking series output. So this feedback amplifier is also called series feedback amplifier. Next we have to find output impedance. So third parameter is output impedance R naught F. So to find output impedance, make input source is 0. So to find output impedance, make VSS 0 and this RL is disconnected from circuit. So இது open பண்ணிருங்க இந்த பேஸ். Now you have voltage V here and current I is flow to the circuit. So output impedance with feedback is impedance looking from this terminal. R naught is equal to V by I. R naught is equal to V by I. So here we have current type sampling. So apply KCL at node A. So Kirchhoff current law nothing but algebraic sum of current flowing through any node is 0. That is incoming current is equal to outgoing current. Here we have two incoming currents, this current source and this I. So I plus AG VA. Here we have current, I am considering direction like this. So here we have current, the voltage across this R0 is V and resistance is R0. So current flow through this terminal is V divided by R0. So equal to V divided by R0. So Vs is equal to 0, hence Va is equal to minus Vf. So I minus Ag, Vf is equal to V by R0. Sorry, Vf equal to I minus, again we can replace Ag, Vf is equal to theta V naught. Here we have V naught is equal to V beta V, V by R naught. So I is equal to, taking common V, sorry, here we know that beta is equal to Vf by I naught. So Vf is equal to beta I naught. Vf is equal to beta I naught. Here we are consider I is opposite to I naught. So I direction is opposite to I naught direction. So we can write Vf is equal to minus beta I. Vf is equal to minus beta I. So I minus or minus plus Ag beta I equal to V by R naught. So take Is common, 1 plus AG, beta is equal to B by R naught. So B by I is equal to R naught into 1 plus AG beta. So in case of series feedback amplifier, R naught have increased factor 1 plus AG into beta. Friends, so in case of current series, that is series feedback amplifier and also called transconductance amplifier. AGF is equal to AG by 1 plus beta AG, reduced failure factor one plus beta AG, and RIF is equal to RI into 1 plus beta AG, R naught is equal to R naught into 1 plus beta AG. Both are increased by 1 plus beta AG.